Hey there, ready for another round of iPhone gossip? Buckle up because the iPhone 17 rumor train is picking up serious speed, and there are quite a few juicy details to unpack. From camera redesigns to performance boosts and even a possible new super slim model, Apple might be cooking up something that's not just another small step forward, but a more refined leap. Let's start with the big one, the camera bump. Or should we say, the potential end of the camera bump as we know it? Word is, Apple might be saying goodbye to the corner cluster and introducing a camera bar that stretches across the entire back of the iPhone 17 Pro. Think the vibe of the Google Pixel, but with that signature Apple finesse. Some fans are loving the sleek symmetry, while others are calling it out as a copy-paste job. Either way, it's a noticeable departure from what we've seen before. Now, if you've seen those flashy renders showing off a dual-tone camera bar, pump the brakes. Trusted leaker Mark Gurman has already shut that down. According to him, Apple's going for a seamless look with one consistent color on the back, the same clean and minimal design language that's become their hallmark. It's less about flash and more about subtle sophistication. Even if the change isn't revolutionary at first glance, it could open the door to something fans have been asking for forever, more vibrant colors on the Pro models. Apple's reportedly moving from titanium to a glass and aluminum blend. While titanium has that premium feel and durability, it's notoriously difficult to color. Aluminum, on the other hand, is way more flexible when it comes to color options. That means we might finally get some bold new shades beyond the typical gray and black. On the camera side of things, there's real reason to get excited. Leaks point to a major telephoto lens upgrade. Instead of the aging 12-megapixel sensor, Apple might jump to a 40-megapixel shooter. That's a huge leap in detail. And even though optical zoom might drop slightly from 5x to 3.5x, it's actually a win for portrait lovers. That range is ideal for capturing people without distortion. Add in the extra megapixels, and digital zoom could go way beyond what we've seen, potentially hitting 30x or even 40x with solid clarity. The layout is shifting too. Leaked dummy units show the standard triple lens setup, but the flash and mic are moving to the side of the camera bar. It's a minor tweak, but speaks to Apple's usual attention to layout precision. And yes, the MagSafe ring is still present under the camera bar, so no worries. Wireless charging isn't going anywhere. Even better, reverse wireless charging might finally be on the table. Imagine topping off your AirPods or even your Apple Watch just by laying them on your iPhone. Convenient, right? And now, something a little different, the iPhone 17 Air. This model is rumored to be Apple's thinnest phone ever, coming in at just 5.5 millimeters. That's absurdly slim, but it's not just a design flex. It's expected to pack in all the essentials like an action button, possible camera shutter controls, and surprisingly, a pretty powerful battery. We're talking about a 4,000 milliamp-hour cell, thanks to high-density battery tech. Combine that with a more power-efficient modem, and you've got a slim phone that doesn't compromise on endurance. Under the hood, Apple's making moves too. The Pro models are said to be getting vapor chamber cooling systems, a big deal for anyone who games, edits videos, or multitasks heavily. Right now, iPhones can throttle or dim their screens when they get too hot. With better heat management, those problems could fade away, and performance could stay smooth even under pressure. Another potential upgrade, RAM. The Pro models may get bumped up to 12 gigs, which would make a noticeable difference when it comes to handling future iOS updates, background apps, and AI features. It's not just about speed, it's about keeping your phone feeling fast a few years down the road. And for those who always want the biggest and the best, yes, the Pro Max is in for a battery boost too. The device might get a little thicker, around 0.5 millimeter, but honestly, if it means more hours of screen on time, most people would call that a win. So overall, it looks like Apple is focusing on thoughtful refinement this time around. Better camera performance, new materials for more colorful designs, improved battery life, and enhanced cooling. It's not just about slapping on new features. It's about making everything work better together. So, what's your take? Are these the kinds of updates that would get you to upgrade? Or are you still waiting for Apple to really shake things up with something totally unexpected? Let's hear it. The comment section's all yours. Until next time, take care.